Well, a very good morning and welcome back to the channel. I hope you've had a good Christmas and Boxing Day. This is December the 27th, Friday. We are out and about for a walk on our local common, Rodborough Common. Walk off a bit of the excesses of Christmas, eating and drinking. It's very murky, misty. Can't see anything very much, so I'm not sure I'm going to make a long video today, but I just wanted to show you what it's like today in the Cotswolds and show you this famous landmark on Common, which is known as the Dog Tree. And as you get closer, you'll see it's a hawthorn tree that's covered in Christmas decorations. And it does it every year, and it's called the Dog Tree because it's where local people who walk their dogs bring a bauble or a card or a photograph and a message and remember dogs they own or used to own. It's also raises money for Checkle's Dog Centre, who look after dogs in need. And yeah, if I zoom a bit closer, you can see some of the photos of dogs. It's always quite sad to see them because these dogs have obviously gone off to doggy heaven and no longer roam free on the common. But it's a lovely idea, and there's one for Teddy, Marcus Antonius, and another one there, Frida, gone but never forgotten. It's very sad. And there's a cat. There's also a few cats that pop up here now. The dogs don't like it, but there isn't a cat tree, so people also have dogs as well. They're cats as well. Dolly. Look at that lovely sheepdog, I think. But yeah, it's a lovely tree. And yeah, bit of a famous landmark around this area of the Cotswolds. And we thought we'd come up and show you before we go off to one of our favourite pubs, which is the Black Horse at Amberley. Someone's put their pearls out. Very posh. Biddy, Merry Christmas Turnip. Jilly. Millie. That is sad, isn't it? But what a lovely place to remember your dog. Poppy and Was Not Was. And if people want to give money, they drop it in here, or you can, with modern technology, scan the QR code. So yeah, that's the Dog Tree of Rodborough Common. I'm going to pan out so you can see the whole tree. I say it's a gloomy day, so you can't really see the background very well, but hopefully you're getting a view of it, and I'll show you a bit more as we walk along this murky, misty common towards Amberley and the Black Horse. As I pan round, you can really see how misty and murky it is. There are some walkers out today, but they're few and far between. But I don't think it's going to get any brighter today. It's forecast to be fog all day. But yeah, it's a lovely place to come after Christmas. And yeah, I shall see you in a moment, somewhere on the road or the walk to the pub at Christmas. That's our village down there, but you can't see it, so there's no point in showing it. And I'll just pan around one more time There's a lovely Margaret who's joined me today. Say hello, Margaret. That's Margaret, or Mag, as I refer to in my vlogs. And we'll actually be going to Cornwall for a few days from Sunday. We're escaping the Cotswolds to go and have some sea air in Padstow in Cornwall. I'm going to make some vlogs in a different part of the world, because a lot of people who love the countryside and love the Cotswolds in England also, I hope, will appreciate Cornwall and the seaside and the beautiful beaches we have in England. So those will be coming up from Monday when we get there. But for now, we'll say ta-ra, and I'll see you in a bit more once we get nearer the pub. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed the dog tree. One more pan of it. There we go. So we're back from the dog tree in the gloom, and this is coming up to the Bear Hotel. Quite a popular place, if a tad expensive, but very nice. And this is Bear Hill. Leads up to the second part of the common, which is called Minchinhampton Common. And there's a few cars around, not a lot going on. People are starting to think, well, I'll get out before it gets dark, have a walk. So lots of dog walkers, and deer are often seen around these parts. And yeah, so I'll keep filming, even though it's not going to get any murkier and any easier, and I'll see you soon. It's actually a little bit clearer here. I was going to quickly talk about a famous character from history that is said to, the ghost of whom roams along Bear Hill. His name is Tom Long, and there are various rumours about Tom Long, but the most famous rumour is that he was a highwayman. He used to hold up people and rob them of their money, and he got convicted of being a highwayman, and he was hung on the common up here, what's now known as Tom Long's Cross. It's a crossroads on the common, and his body was left there to rot until his flesh fell through the chains that he was chained up in, as a deterrent for anybody else who wanted to take up a career as a highwayman. And there was a rumour that when he died, a ghost appeared just here on this road of Bear Hill, and it still roams today. He rides a black horse and scares people at night in anger of the way he died, such a gruesome death. It's a bit of a legend, but there's certainly a lot of people who claim to have seen the ghost of Tom Long. And yeah, so if you're ever out this way past midnight and you're driving up Bear Hill up here and you see a ghostly figure on a horse, that's Tom Long. So just coming up to the Bear of Rodborough, very famous hotel, pub, restaurant, which used to be a coaching inn. And yeah, very luxurious now, quite expensive, but beautiful. We've had family parties there for birthday celebrations, and yeah, but we're not going to pop in there today. We may do on the way back, in which case we'll try and film the inside, but at the moment we're heading to the Black Horse, where we're going to have some lunch hopefully. So just want to show you the Bear. Round room, so it's very busy. This is the main road through the common, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. Beautiful in summer, lovely garden, you can play croquet, Yeah, that's the bear from the other side. Apologies for the noise. But yeah, that's the bear. So we're on top of Minchinhampton Common. As you can see, it's still misty, and it's going to be misty all day. So I'll stop going about the mist. But yeah, there's some lovely trees here, and a few people about, but quiet. This is the main road on the common, so it can get a bit noisy. But we're going to deviate off to the right here, so, and then we'll be at the pub. But yeah, Christmas has come and gone quite quick, or Christmas Day has. I'm hoping everybody had a great time, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank everybody for supporting the channel, whether you're a subscriber, whether you're a new person that's just come across it and viewing a video for the first time. I launched the channel in January 2024, so it's not even a year old, and we've reached over 2,000 subscribers, and we've had over 75,000 views, which I'm amazed at. I never thought I'd get that in the first year. And so thank you for watching, thank you for supporting the channel, clicking on the video. Next year will be a busy year. We're going to grow the number of videos we do. I'm getting more used to how to use software and filming in 4K, which does make a difference. Not today, of course, but and yeah, we're going to go back to the traditional filming villages, you know, narrating walks around Cotswold villages and towns. There's a lot going on next year. We'll probably visit some of the bigger, more famous places like Bolton, Stow on the Wold, Morton in the Marsh. But this year I've been focusing on some of the smaller, unknown Cotswold villages closer to home here, known as sort of Cotswold gems. So the Colne Valley, and all those villages that are on the river there. So thank you again for your support, and more videos from the Cotswolds soon. But as I said, a short trip to Cornwall where we'll show some videos there. No doubt if you're interested in that, I hope you enjoy those. But back to walking on the common, and yeah, I shall see you in a bit. Bye for now. So we are almost at the Black Horse at Amberley. This is part of Amberley village. Pretty little village in the Cotswolds, and some nice houses as always. But yes, we are going to say goodbye here because it's misty and foggy, and it'll be the same on the way back. So I'm going to show you how it looks now, and then you can enjoy the video. So that's the Black Horse up there. And yeah, people out walking their dogs. So yes, thank you for watching. Thank you if you're a subscriber. If you're new, please subscribe, it does help the channel. Leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Well, the next video you'll see will be in Cornwall. So thanks for watching, and we're going in for a drink and hopefully some food. Having fantastic rest of Christmas, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.